the great yep. Let's go get me, where's my bag at? Boom, a little bag right here, know what I mean? Okay, look at that. What we got going on? Okay. He's got a flat tire, boy. Get my jack. Go get my jack, my gloves. My glove bag, my glove. Boom. Boom. Alright, I'm gonna grab my little jack over here. My jacko jack. Put this this way. Hopefully he has a spare tire. He's coming down. That means you can't change the tire. Boom. I can't do all this with a phone. Hopefully I can get a better camera for you guys to watch the shit. You know what I'm saying? Look both ways. Boom. Car coming. Alrighty. Come on. What's up, man?
The piece that actually take the tires off.
What do you mean the piece? What piece?
Right, it's a jack. What is it called?
The what I got here? Or the lug nuts?
That's that.
How much does it cost? What? I don't know.
Like the machine to get it off. That. That one I paid $120. Well, it's like my second time having this problem.
Yeah.
But with the other side tire.
Oh, okay.
I put air in it last night. And
yeah.
When I came back out this morning to go to work, it was like that.
Really? So you got a slow leak or something?
I don't. My car, you know how like when one of the tires are off,
it
started shaking a little bit. That's what I felt. So I put air in it. And when I came back here last night, I made sure all the tires wasn't like leaking again.
Yeah. Don't worry, I do this for my son. I do this for my son because he likes watching. Nah, you good, you good. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, bro.
Then I'm calling the tire place that opened at 7 and they not even answer. I got a spare. I don't know if it's,
you got a spare?
I don't know if it's for that tire or it don't matter. It's
oh,
inside.
Right,
yeah.
Nah, you good.
Okay.
What time you called it in?
Called this in?
Yeah.
Probably about an hour ago.
Okay.
So I haven't been waiting crazy. I'm about to say I'm home now, so.
Damn, I just had it when I do it. Boom. Alright, jack this bad boy up. I used to have one of these little Patriots.
This is my baby, but
The Ultima?
yeah, low key. But the Jeep get me around during any weather.
It's pretty good. A little sketchy going down the hill with this. You guys own this place?
Rent.
Rent.
Some people own theirs, so like.
How much is to get one of these? I like the under thing here.
It depends. Like what? I wonder if the one it's like 2 down now. Somebody was saying, and then this one just got bought. Like some of them are different and made different, but I don't know how much they are.
How many bedrooms?
It depends. Some of them are 3, some of them are 2, some of them have.
What do you have here?
I have 3 with 1.5 bathrooms.
Come on, baby.
This tire shop better be open. They usually open, but they just ain't answer. Plus, they got the good tire.
What place you go to?
Bassett.
On Bassett? Oh, yeah.
That good 45 to 60.
Yeah. Can't complain.
I know. Last time I just told him to patch my tire.
Yeah.
That was messed up.
To patch it?
Yeah. I think it was the other side. I don't know. Maybe it's glass in this one?
Do what?
No, maybe it's glass stuck in this one?
No, I think.
Is it?
Oh, shit, that's done. You can't patch that one.
Yeah.
The wire is coming out of that.
Yep. That's alright.
So good. You can ride around with a donut for a while.
Yeah. But if not, I'll go straight to that tire shop.
Yeah.
I was about to go do some Instacart orders, all of that.
Yeah.
Like when I'm off, I like making money, so.
You gotta do what you gotta do, bro. You only had four of them up there?
For what?
These nuts. The lug nuts.
Something fell and rolled. This one right there in front of you.
Wow. I haven't even smoked yet.
Nah, I think that just fell though. It just like
Oh, yeah?
I didn't see it in front of you until you put that down. Hey, it's still early, though. That's okay.
Yeah, so you probably like a buck 20, you get one of these. It's good to have. Quick.
It's definitely like another time.
Yeah.
I had to call AAA. If I had it, I could have just did it myself. Yeah.
All set.
And then my AAA wasn't working, so I had to call one. And the good thing, listen, so I bought my own whole time I'm under my aunt's. And I didn't know that. So when I called her and told her I bought mine, she's like, why? Just sign in with ours.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't, so.
Where do you want this wheel at?
I'll throw it in the car, it's okay.
And then you should be all set, bro.
Thank you so much. I really
have a good
appreciate
day,
it.
right, man?
You as well.
Try to, I mean, that tire is shot.
It's done. Yeah, I think they keep tires already.
Yeah.
Well, I think it might be like extra 5, so I'll just leave it for throwing in this car. So
All right. Well, take care, man.
I appreciate it for real. Thank
Gotcha.
you.
Damn, another call. Yeah, good. Go this way. All right. That tire is done. Tire is done. On to the next one. I think I got a 2011 Infiniti FX50 to pick up. That's in there. Boom. Get my bag in here. Okay. Yeah, man. I gotta get a better camera so I can really start making videos and show you guys what I go through all day long. And clean out this truck. I shouldn't be like this. I should be more organized. All right, guys, on to the next one. Deuce.